Look at the first question. The following is a number pattern. Write its second and third terms. When you observe this pattern, first term is given. First term is 7. Second and third terms are missing. And next terms 16, 19 and 22. Can you identify the number added to the previous term? The number added to the previous term. 16 plus what? 19. 16 plus what? 19. What? 16 plus?
Plus 3.
Yes, plus 3. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 plus 3, 22.
22.
Yes. Then you know that this pattern is obtained by adding 3 to the previous term. By adding 3 to the previous term. So, to get the next terms, also you have to add 3 to the previous term. Then 7 plus 3, what?
10.
10. Yes.
10.
7 plus 3, 10. Then if you have written 10 in the term test, you will get 1 mark for that answer. Okay. Plus 3, here we are adding 13. Then if you have written 13, you will get another mark. Okay. That way you will get 2 marks for that question. Then second question, the direction of P seen from A is given as S45W. Represent it on a sketch diagram. Okay. S45W. Then here they have given A, point A, P seen from A. So at A, at the point of A, you have to draw main 4 directions. Draw main 4 directions this way. Take this point as the center and draw main 4 directions. Then this direction north, south, east, and west. S45W. Then one arm should be S. One arm should be south. 45 degrees towards west. 45 degrees. You know 45 means 45 is half of 90. This angle is 90. Then you can draw a line this way. Then it will be 45. Then put that 45 here. 45 degrees. S45W. Then here, this is the place of P. This is the place of P. This point is A. This point is P. Then you can see P from A, S45W in the direction of S45W. Can you understand? One arm is S. Magnitude is 45. So if you have drawn this diagram, you will get 2 marks. Now let's move to the third question. 5m minus 2 equal 18. 5m minus 2 equal 18. This is an equation. In this type of equation, which term we should remove first? There are two mathematical operations here. Minus 2 means here 2 subtracted 10. 5m means 5 multiplied by 8. Then there is multiplication and subtraction here. First, you have to remove the subtraction. To remove the subtraction, you have to add 2 to both sides. Add 2 to both sides. Then you can write this way. First, write the left-hand side of the equation. Then write the right-hand side. Now, what we are going to add? We are going to add 2. So, put plus 2 to both sides, both left and right. Now, you can cancel out this plus 2 with minus 2. So, cancel out plus 2 with minus 2. In the left-hand side now, 5m remains. What is the answer of the right-hand side?
20.
20, yes. Right, 20. Here 5m is there. To solve this, 5m means 5 multiplied by m. Then divide both sides by 5 because inverse operation of multiplication is division. To remove terms, you have to do the inverse mathematical operation. Then in the left hand side, m. In the right hand side, 20 divided by 5. What is the answer?
4.
Yes, 4. So if you can get that answer, 2 marks. Now let's move to the fourth one. Find the value of minus 8 subtraction minus 2. Minus 8 subtraction minus 2. In this type of problem, here there are two integers. From one integer, other integer subtracted. Then convert this subtraction into an addition. When you convert subtraction into an addition, you have to change this subtraction sign to addition sign. Change this subtraction sign to addition sign. Okay. Then when you're changing the sign, you have to change the sign of the second term. What is the second term here? Minus 2. Get the additive inverse of minus 2. What is the additive inverse of minus 2? Additive inverse
Plus
means?
2.
Yes, additive inverse means, can you remember? There's a lesson in the first term. Additive inverse means when you get a certain integer, when you add the additive inverse to that, you will get 0 always. That means additive inverse of minus 2 is plus 2. Additive inverse of plus 5 is minus 5. Like that. Change the sign and get the same number. Then additive inverse is plus 2. Add the additive inverse. Okay. Now consider this and find the answer. Here there are minus 8. Minus 8. Minus 8 like this. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. Minus 8 and plus 2. Plus 2 is like this. Minus 8 and plus 2. So you can make 0 pairs by taking minus and plus. You can cancel these this pair and this pair. Then what remains here? What remains here? How many?
Minus 6.
Yes.
Minus 6.
Minus 6. Then answer is minus 6. Answer is minus 6. If you can get this answer, then 2 marks. Simplify. Fifth one. Simplify. 3a minus 2b minus a plus 3b minus 2. In this type of questions, when you simplify, you have to select what are the like terms. Like terms means the terms having same algebraic symbol are like terms. Then 3a and this minus a are like terms. Then 3a minus a. What is the answer? 3a minus a. 3a minus a. 3 minus a. 3. From 3a's, we subtract 1a. From 3a's, we subtract 1a. Then answer?
2a.
2a. 2a. So write that answer 2a. 2a. Then what are the other like terms here? Minus 2b plus 3b. Minus 2b plus 3b. Minus 2 plus 3. What is the answer? Minus 2 plus 3. Get 0 pairs and consider the remaining part. What should be the answer? What should be the
Plus
answer?
1.
Plus 1. So normally we don't write as plus 1a. We can write as plus b minus 2. This is the answer. Look at the sixth problem. Number of coconuts plucked from each tree is given below. Find the median. Median means how to get the median? Median means middle value. Median means middle value, but you can't find the middle value by keeping the numbers this way. You have to do something first. What you have to do? Before finding the middle number, you have to do something. What you have to do?
Correct order.
You have to write in the ascending order or the descending order. Let's write in the ascending order. Check the smallest number from these numbers. What is the smallest number?
3.
3 is the smallest number. So let's write 3 first. Now tell me, you tell, I will write. The next one?
4.
4. Then?
8.
8. How many 8s?
3 8.
You have to write all the 8s. There are 3 8s. If there are 3 8s, write all the 3 8s. Then what? 10. How many 10s?
2.
Then
11.
how many 11s? Yes, very
2
good.
11.
Yes. Then
12.
12. Only 1 12. Yes, that's only, no?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, that's only. Now you have to select the middle value. Select the middle value. I will cut numbers from both left and right. Or otherwise underline. I will remove this 3 and this 12. this one, this one, this one. Now I have removed 3 from both sides. 3 numbers. Now 4 numbers removed from both sides. From left, I remove 4 numbers. From the right also, I remove 4 numbers. Now in the middle, in this question, in the middle, there are 2 numbers. You know, if there are even number of numbers, there may be 2 numbers in the middle. If there is odd number of numbers, then there's only 1 number in the middle. Here 8 and 10 in the middle. So what should be the median? 8 and 10. Is that 8 and 10? How to get the median?
18 divided by 2.
Yes, you have to add these 2 numbers and divide that by 2. 8 plus 10.
18.
8 plus 10, 18. 18 divided by 2.
9.
9. Then what is the answer? 9. 9. Look at the 7th one. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. You know, the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So here 2 angles are given. 2 angles are given. Sum of all the 3 angles 180 degrees. Then first add this 50 and 30. 50 plus 30, what? 50 plus 30.
80.
Yes, 80. Sum of all the 3 angles. Sum of all
180.
that should be 180. Then get the sum of these two first. And to find the value of x, subtract that sum by 180. 180 minus the sum of the other 2 angles. 180 minus 80. What is that? 0 minus 0. 0. 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8. 0. So what should be the answer?
100.
100 degrees. So x equals 100 degrees. Okay. Represent x less than 2 on the number line. Can you remember the method? Here, if equation sign is there, if this sign is there, unshaded circle. If this sign is there, then shaded circle, shaded circle. So here, plus 2 is shaded or unshaded? Plus 2 shaded or unshaded?
Unshaded.
Unshaded. Yes, very good. Here then unshaded circle. Now you know in this number line you can mark from this circle to the right hand side or to the left hand side. According to this question, which side should be shaded? Left or right? Left or right? Which
Left.
side? Left. The reason? X less than 2. What are x less than 2? That means other numbers should be less than 2. The less than means this direction. Here from this sign you can remember this direction. So you have to shade this side of the number line. Okay. Shade that side of the number line. Find the value using prime factors. Find the value using prime factors. Can you remember the prime numbers? What are the prime numbers? A number which has
Only one factor.
only two factors. A number
factors.
which has only two factors is a prime number. One is a prime number or not? One prime number or not? One is not a prime number because one has only one factor. That's only one. Two is the smallest prime number. 1 into 2, 2. Then 1 and 2 are the factors of 2. So that is a prime number. 3, 1 into 3, 3. 1 and 3 are factors of 3. 4, what about 4? 4 is not a prime number. Reason is 1, 4 and 2. There are 3 factors for 4. There are 3 factors. 1, 4 and 2. So prime number has only 2 factors. Then you have to divide this by prime factors. Divide this by prime factors. Root 144. Let's divide by prime numbers. I will divide here. 144 divide by 2. Always divide by the smallest prime number first. So divide by 2. 7, 2. 2 into 7, 14. 2 into 2, 4. Again divide by 2. 2 into 3, 6. Here 1 remain. 1 and 1, 2. That means 12. 2 into 6, 12. Divide 36 by 2. 2 into 1, 2. Then 3 minus 2, 1. 1, 6. Means 1, 16. 2 into 8, 16. Divide 18 again by 2. 2 into 9, 18. Now we have to get the next prime number. You can't divide this by 2. Now we are dividing by 3. 3 into 3, 9. Until you get 1, you have to divide. 3 divided by 3, 1. Now we have obtained the prime numbers. Now here there are 4 2s. How many 2s? How many 2s are there?
4.
4 2s. 4 2s and 2 3s. From that 4 2s, get only 2 2s to the first bracket. Put into 2 brackets. Okay. Put these numbers into 2 brackets. From these 4 2s, I will put 2 2s to here and other 2 2s to this place. Into how many 3s are there?
2
3s.
3s.
Yes.
2 3s.
Put 1 3 to here. Put the other 3 to here. Then 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3. 2 into 2,
12.
4. 4 into 3, 12. So here 12. Here also 12. 12 into 12, 12 squared. 12 into 12 means 12 squared. So root 144 equal to the root 144 equal to the root 12 square. Root 12 square. Now, if you want to remove this root sign, if there's a square number in the inside of the root sign, then answer is
12.
12. Because root sign can be removed if there's a square number. If there's a square number in the middle, you can remove the root sign. Okay. Now 10th problem. Write 20% as a fraction and express it in the simplest form. Write 20% as a fraction and express it in the simplest form. 20%, you know, you can write any percentage as a fraction by writing the denominator as 100. Write the denominator as 100. Now tell me the fraction. What should be the fraction?
20 over 100.
Yes, 20 over 100. Numerator is the given number. Numerator is the given number. That means here 20. Denominator in a percentage, denominator is always 100. Denominator is 100. Now, if you write only up to this step, you will get only 1 mark. For each question, we have got 2 marks, but here you will get only 1 mark. What is the reason? To get other 1 mark, what you have to do?
We have to express it in the simplest form.
Yes, simplest form. Simplest form, that means if you can divide numerator and denominator by the same number, you have to divide. Here, cut this 0 with this 0. And not only that, 2 and 10 are divisible by 2. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 5, 10. So what should be the simplest form?
1 over 5.
Yes, 1 over 5 is the simplest form.